AustinZane.com, JasonSparks.com, CockyBoys.com, DirkYates.com, HotHouse.com, LucasKazan.com, Men.com, OnTheHunt.com, RandyBlue.com.
All right. Let's find out who this winner is. All right. And the winner is for Best Original Content on the web, Austin Zane.
Okay, just pee my pants. Not yet, but I'm going to.
Congratulations.
Hello. Today I'd like to speak to you about safe sex. Thank you so much for all the fans that voted, and well, I guess I didn't vote, but thanks so much for listening. I want to give a special thanks to Peter Becker.
Peter Becker, without him we wouldn't have came last year. And
Exactly.
I wouldn't be here today. So
Peter Becker.
You guys are awesome, and I guess you have anything to say?
I gotta thank my wife, Gigi LaRue over there.
She's so beautiful, isn't she? God, she's hot. Bathroom later on. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, congratulations, boys! All right. Dimension tried to steal this.